Hey everyone, welcome back once again to our Microsoft 365 Advanced course. I am Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. In this class, I'm going to help you to understand about the Microsoft 365 licenses. In previous class, we already talked about how many methods we have to set up the email services for any organization. Like we already discussed about the Microsoft 365 dashboard, Google Workspace, and other mailing service provider like GoDaddy, HostGator, Namecheap, and Amazon Web Services. We already discussed about the offline exchange. Exchange in the sense the server that you need to establish with the help of on-premises machine. So I think we good with the previous topic or previous class. So that's why I'm going to move ourselves to next topic of our Microsoft 365. And in this class, basically, we will discuss about the Microsoft 365 licenses and subscriptions. So as we know that related to the application, related to the product of Microsoft 365, n number of licenses are available: E1 license, E3 license, F3 license, E5 license, business premium, and home edition. Actually, these all are the licenses that we have. According to the budget, we can proceed, but we must need to know about the features related to the features which are available in our different types of licenses. So this video will help you to understand about the features, costing of licenses, and we'll also discuss about the other different types of licenses that we have, right? So you know that over our Microsoft 365, I think we are able to find two different types of licenses. One is based on subscription, means that you have pay on basis of monthly basis, or you can also pay the annual cost for your license. Another license type, I'm talking about the add-on license, right? So the meaning of an add-on license that you need to purchase for the specific purpose, like Microsoft Intune. It's a type of, it's a kind of, you can say that add-on license. Like for the Office 365 services, you need to proceed with the E1, E2, E1, E3, yeah, or F5 license. But if we talk about the Microsoft Intune, which is considered as a add-on license, which is not a part of our existing license that we have. So this video will help you to understand about the licensing part of Microsoft 365. So let's move ourselves to desktop screen and discuss about the license type practically. But before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, please do subscribe, because Teach Me Cloud is a single technical training based YouTube channel that give you 100% live practical based video without skip any step. So I'm moving ourselves to the screen, desktop screen, right? So our agenda to understand about the different types of licenses. So one, I'm going to categorize in the licenses in two different parts. One is cloud app license, right? And second, you can consider it as a add-on licenses. Let's try to understand about the difference between cloud applications licenses and the another is add-on license. In cloud application based licenses, we have a E1, E3, E5, and F5, F3. So these all are the licenses can give us an option to manage cloud related services like mailbox, right? You can find the Teams, you can find the Yammer, right? OneDrive for business, you can find SharePoint, and the entire application related, office related application like as a Word, Excel, PPT, PowerPoint presentation, and etc, right? So by using E1, E3 or E5 licenses, we are able to proceed with mailing services and some applications. Those applications are required for any organization. But we also need to know about, in case of advanced course, definitely you should know about the basic and important things related to the licenses and subscription. So the meaning of add-on license, it means that the add-on license that you need to purchase separately from the cloud application based licenses. Like I'm talking about the Intune, right? I am talking about the license related to the P2, Premium 2, Mobility plus Security E5, Enterprise Mobility plus Security E5, right? So these licenses are considered as a add-on license, because the feature of Intune, the feature of Premium 2 Active Directory license, which is not a part of our cloud application based licenses. Let's take an example. For example, you want to proceed, you paid for the E5 license, and now you are trying to enroll devices with the help of Microsoft Intune portal. So the E5 license cannot support you to enroll any single device over a Microsoft Intune portal, right? Because for Microsoft Intune portal to enroll the device over a Microsoft Intune, it's mandatory for us. We must need to proceed with the license. Those licenses contain the feature of Microsoft Intune services. I'm talking about Mobility plus Security E5. So Mobility plus Security E5 license considered as an add-on. I'm going to move ourselves to the Microsoft 365 portal and give you the proper practical how we can manage the licenses and which license can help you as per your requirement, which license can fulfill your requirement. So you can find as per your requirement, you can proceed with any license. So to find the correct or right license for Microsoft 365 services, you just need to open any browser and type office.com. Over office.com, the wizard look like this. You just need to click on products. Under the product, you will find the information about the different types of licenses that we have. Just need to click here and it will provide you the information about the different types of licenses that we have. We are able to find the category of licenses like pricing for home, pricing for business, pricing for enterprise, Excel and Microsoft Office. If you are using your license, if you want to use the Microsoft product for the home purpose only, like for your personal laptop, personal tablet or desktop, so you always proceed with the pricing for the home. If you are running your business and you want to create multiple mail ID for your employees, you can proceed with the business. And the pricing for enterprise, you can say that for a small business, you can proceed with the pricing for business. And if you are running a large organization, so that time you can proceed with the pricing for the enterprise. So I'm going to guide you to handle the large business infrastructure. So that's why I'm going to proceed with the pricing for the enterprise. So whenever we click on the pricing for enterprise, it will give you the information about the number of licenses that we have. So let me show you the types of licenses that we can find. Okay, so to identify the number of licenses that we have, we just need to open Microsoft Office.com and select the enterprise. And once we click on the enterprise, it will redirect you on the page of multiple licenses that we have. So I'm going to proceed with Microsoft 365 licenses. And in the Microsoft 365 licenses, we are able to find multiple licenses that we have. Microsoft 365 E3, Microsoft 365 E5, Microsoft 365 F3 license. So this is the category, or you can say that these all are the types of Microsoft 365 licenses. Let's try to understand about the features according to the licenses that we have. Definitely you have to pay the amount. You have to pay the amount as per the usage or as per the usage of our application. The application that you want to implement for your organizations or for your employees, you can proceed according to the licenses type. So let me help you to understand about what are the features are included in case of Microsoft 365 E3. So cost of Microsoft 365 E3 license, you have to pay 2,825 per user per month. Means you have to pay the amount for monthly basis and according to the number of users or number of employees or mail ID that you want to create. Let me help you to understand about. You will find the entire application, Microsoft 365 application, desktop and mobile, means you are able to download the application and install on your mobile phone and your laptop as well, or desktop as well. Windows for enterprise, okay. You can find the chat, meeting and file sharing within shared workspace, like with the help of SharePoint or with the help of your OneDrive. You can share your data with each other. 1 TB of cloud storage, the OneDrive space you can find in E3 license. You can store up to 1 TB of data. Core security and identity management, means definitely you are able to control and manage the user account security. Let's talk about the application. You will find Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Windows related, Windows Defender basically, Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Exchange, SharePoint, OneNote, Stream, OneDrive. These all are the features are included in F3 license. Sorry, E3 license. As it is for the F3, you have to pay 4,475 rupees per user per month. So in this case, definitely it will provide you additional service in this particular license. Scalable business analytics with the Power BI. Yes, in this case, you will find the feature of Power BI. Power BI is a type of tool that required a subscription. So in case of F3 license, E5 license, you will find the license of Power BI to manage your data analytics, right? You can design your data as per the usage, or you can say that in the format of GUI. Audio conferencing for up to 1,000 attendees. If you want to design a conference call, so you can add up to 1,000 participants in single call. These all are the applications we are able to find. So a number of features are available in applications, like as in Power BI, Microsoft to-do list, which is available. The additional features added in our E5 license is Power BI Pro. In E3 license, we are unable to find the feature of Power BI, but in case of E5, we are able to find the features Power BI that can help us to manage our Microsoft 365 data analytics, means Excel, Access, PowerPoint. You can consider in our Power BI service. F3 license for testing purpose, you can proceed with the F3 license, 630 rupees per user per month. And definitely you will find the entire application in which are available in Microsoft 365 application, standard security capabilities, and a centralized hub for collaboration and productivity. Custom application to automate task and process. The applications that you can find, these all are the applications, right? For more information, what you need to do, get the full comparison table PDF. So you just need to download this particular PDF file, and this PDF file will help you properly about the difference between the licenses that we have, right? So you just need to download this PDF file and read carefully, and definitely you are able to answer if any interviewer will ask you question like the difference between E3 license and E5 license, or F3 license and E5 license. So we are able to answer. As it is add-on licenses, so if we talk about the add-on license, which are available with our Azure Active Directory, whenever we sign up ourselves over Azure portal, Office 365 portal, and they give us a one tenant according to the license that you have. And in the Azure Active Directory service, we are able to find two different licenses. One is Mobility Plus Enterprise Mobility Plus Security E5, and another is P2 license, which is considered as a Premium 2 license. These two licenses can help us, or these two licenses are considered as a add-on license. So guys, this is about the license type, and meanwhile let me help you to understand about how to sign up ourselves, or how to create our account over a 365 portal. So remember guys, in previous class we have already discussed about the prerequisite if you want to set up your own account over a Microsoft 365 portal. So you just need to use your email ID, your contact number, your credit or debit card, and definitely we are able to set up our account over a 365. So this is all about today's session, and we'll connect soon in another session and discuss more about Microsoft 365 advanced content. Take care guys, bye bye. Do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel.